want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am really excited to share something that was such a passion project of mine. As you guys know, we recently moved back into our renovated home and I kind of went a little label crazy, I'm not gonna lie to you. I became obsessed with my label maker and I have labeled pretty much everything in the house, but I love them, it's so cute, and actually my husband doesn't hate it, so that's a good thing. So I wanted to share some of what it looks like. So I went ahead and labeled pretty much most of the things in my home. I'm actually just starting on nuts and I thought it would be a great time to start. So these are these mini mason jars that I used to put in some grains. So I have dried chickpeas in here. I also have some lentils, and then I have chia seeds. So I put these in a set of 4 mini mason jars. And then I have the pop tops. These are from OXO. I actually have the full set right here. So they come like this. I actually bought the 100 count set from Costco. They were on sale. I think they're usually a little over $100 for the set. And it has 10 containers in it. Did I say 100 count? I meant 10 count. And I think it has 10 in it, and they're usually about $100. I think they were on sale for $69. So I got those from there, and that's where most of these are from. So I have my couscous in this one, and then I also have my brown rice in this one, and then I have 2 different kinds of quinoa. I keep my white quinoa, and then I also have a whole grain quinoa that I have put in there as well. And then I have another section for white rice, brown rice, and then pita chips. And then I'm going to fill these up with some other snacks like chips, and we keep like pretzels for hummus, so I'll put those in there. But today is all about nuts. So I wanted to share the label maker that I've been using. I did a lot of research. I looked into a lot of them. I found this one on Amazon, and it is the DYMO Organizer Express. The reason I chose this one is because I wanted an embossed look. So as you can tell, the ones that I have done actually have a black label with white embossing, and that was super important to me. I even bought a few refills, but I haven't had to use them yet. And I think the entire set was less than $50. So it's not a huge investment, especially because it makes everything look a lot more pretty in your pantry. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to use my label maker, and I'm gonna show you guys how I use it. Super easy, and you can go label crazy as well. You're welcome. All right, I'm gonna start with my jar of walnuts. This is just a regular size mason jar. These are the Bell containers. And then I'm gonna grab my label maker, and this one, like I mentioned, was the DYMO, and I'm just going to show you guys how I use it. So I'm going to be writing walnuts, obviously, but I'm gonna start with a space because I find that that is, it helps it be more even. So we're going to start with a space, and you just push it down, and then I'm gonna jump all the way to the W's. And then before I finish, I'm also going to go back and add another space. And then you go to this middle one, which has a pair of scissors, which will actually go ahead and cut your label. All right, so it came right off, and I'm just going to go to my jar. I'm gonna start from one of these lines so that it's pretty even, although it really doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm just gonna center it, let's make sure it's straight. And there we go. Walnuts. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you get notifications for my next life hack tips. Be sure to keep up with me on Instagram at Sabrina Molu, and I will see you in my next video.